Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we will see how to fix Discord not opening on PC. So, let's dive into it. First, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. In the Task Manager, look for any Discord processes that are still running. Right-click and select End Task. This can help clear out any stuck instances of the app. Next, let's clear the Discord cache. Head over to the Start menu and type %appdata%. Open the folder, find the Discord folder, and delete it. Don't worry, this won't delete your data, just temporary files that might be causing issues. Another quick fix is to run Discord as an administrator. Simply right-click the Discord shortcut on your desktop, select Run as Administrator, and see if that resolves the issue. If none of those solutions worked, a clean reinstall might be the best option. Uninstall Discord from your PC, then head to the Discord website to download and reinstall the latest version. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.